Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In this video, we'll explore how in-app notifications work and how you can configure them to stay instantly updated on every important activity happening within your CRM. Notifications in Office 24 by 7 are real-time in-app alerts that help you stay informed whenever key events occur in the CRM. For example, when a lead is assigned to a user, when a lead status or budget changes, when an account is updated for a cross-sell or upsell opportunity, when a ticket is assigned or updated, when a deal moves to the next stage, when a task or activity is completed or overdue, or when a customer interaction is logged in the system. These notifications ensure every team member stays informed and acts promptly without missing any critical updates. To create or manage notifications, the admin can open the Alerts icon at the top right corner of the CRM. This opens an overlay window. Click on Add button. Let's now create a notification step by step. Start by clicking on Add New Notification. Enter a notification name, for example, a ticket assignment notification. Next, select the object on which you want to create this notification. You can choose from leads, contacts, tickets, or any other object in your CRM. For this example, let's select tickets. Once the object is selected, the system automatically loads all the available fields from the Tickets panel. Here, I want to notify the user when a ticket is assigned, so I'll choose the Assigned User field. Now, select the condition, in this case, is not empty. This means the notification will trigger whenever a ticket is assigned to any user. Next, choose how the notification will visually appear in your panel. You can apply a style at 3 levels: cell, row, or text. I'll select cell and choose the blue color to make it stand out clearly. Now, check the notification box to enable in-app alerts. Enter your notification text. This is the message that the assigned user will see. Let's type an example message with dynamic attributes for personalization. Dear ticket assignee, you've been assigned a new ticket. Ticket ID. Kindly follow up accordingly. You can include attributes like ticket ID, ticket subject, assigned user, or customer name for clarity and better context. Next, set the wait time. This defines when the notification should be sent after the event occurs. You can configure it in days, hours, or minutes. Here, I'll set it to 1 minute, meaning the assigned user will receive the in-app notification 1 minute after the ticket is created and assigned. Once done, click Submit to create the notification. All your created notifications will appear in a table below the configuration panel. This provides clear visibility and helps the admin easily manage all active notifications. Now, let's see how the in-app notifications are triggered in the panel. Go to the Tickets panel and either open an existing ticket or create a new one. Assign the ticket to a user and save it. After 1 minute, you'll see a notification appear in the panel, alerting the assigned user about the new ticket assignment. If any notifications are missed, you can easily find them later. Click the Alerts icon on the right-hand side. From here, open the Notifications section to view all the notifications triggered for your account. You can then mark as read, mark as unread, or delete notifications, either individually or in bulk, and that's it. That's how you can configure, view, and manage in-app notifications in Office 24 by 7. With this feature, you'll never miss an important update, whether it's a new lead, an assigned ticket, or an updated account detail. Stay informed, stay proactive, and make every interaction count. Thank you for watching. Start using notifications in Office 24 by 7 today to enhance visibility and streamline your business communication.